Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. This is an A2 level vocabulary lesson, and we're going to be talking about types of transportation. All right, how do you go to work or to school? So here are a couple of ways. I take a bus to school. I take the train to work. And do you know each of these vehicles? So we have a bus. This is a coach, which is more of a long distance bus. It's similar to a bus, but we usually use a coach when you're traveling longer distances. A plane and a train. So bus, coach bus, plane, and train. So see if you can fill in the gaps below. You can pause the video, write your answers, and then restart when you're ready to check. So Daniela is at the bus stop. She's about to catch the bus. Jonathan is a bus driver. To ride his bus, you need to pay the bus fare. Julia is getting off the bus. This is her bus stop. So we pay for a bus with bus fare. The driver is called a bus driver. You get on a bus or catch the bus. Each destination is a bus stop, and when you arrive at your stop, you get off. So now fill in the gaps with these words from the boxes. You can pause the video, write down your answers, and then restart when you're ready to check. Okay, driver, please stop. This is my bus stop. Janice is a bus driver. She drives the bus every day from morning to evening. Monica ran for the bus to try to catch it. And you must pay for your bus fare using money. Okay. Again, fill in the gaps and restart when you're ready to check your answers. Marie and her daughter are on the train platform waiting to get on the train. George has been a train conductor for 20 years. I will get off at the next train station. So we pay for a train ticket with train fare. The driver is called a train driver or conductor. You get on a train or catch the train. Each destination is a train station, and you get on or off the train on the platform. So again, fill in the gaps and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answers. Michael was running down the platform to try to catch the train. The train station is next to my house. I only have to walk 5 minutes every morning to catch the train. We will get off the train, get on the train at the next stop. Please, actually, I think this is get off. You're right the first time. Get off the train at the next stop. Please get on the train via the back doors. All right, now we've got some airline tickets. So the price for the flight is $925. Please arrive at the airport at least 90 minutes before your flight leaves. John and Keith are pilots. They have worked together for 20 years. So we buy a plane ticket to board a plane. The driver is called a pilot, and each destination you fly to is an airport. Again, use these words in the boxes to fill in the gaps, and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answers. So Erica would like to fly to Hawaii for a vacation. Zach is driving to the airport to pick up his aunt. The pilot spoke to the passengers before the plane took off. And I need to buy a ticket to travel to London, but it is very expensive. So where do we get on a plane? At the airport. Who flies a plane? A pilot. How do we pay for a train ticket? Train fare. Where do we get on a train? Platform. Where do we get off a bus? Bus stop. Which transport is the fastest for long distance travel? Plane. And so now you'll match the words. Again, you can pause the video, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check the answers. Okay, so a plane you would take from the airport. Train is from the station, and bus driver. So now pick the correct word in the sentence. The first one is done for you. Do you have any change for the bus fare? Bus fare is the correct choice. You need exact change. You go ahead and try the others on your own and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. The pilot was not going to fly in such bad weather. I'm getting off the bus at the next bus stop. Jennifer is a train conductor. She works on the train between Toronto and Montreal. The bus driver drives the same bus route every morning. Please put on your coat. We need to get off the train at the next stop. I board the bus at the same stop every morning to go to work. And this is the wrong platform. You need to walk to platform 3 for the train to Windsor. We need to arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before the flight. This summer, we will fly to Europe. The flight takes 6 hours. Please ask the conductor when the train will arrive. She ran down the street to catch the bus, but she missed it. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any questions, please leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.